Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. I had another video planned for y'all this week, but the oven crapped out on me, so I'm just going to show you how I do my pork chops. I have two kinds of pork chops here. I have thin cut and I have just assorted pork chops. Those will be for Joe, and I like the thin cut. So what I do is I just take my Tony's or Cajun seasoning or any kind of seasonal that you like, and I lightly sprinkle on each side. And then I take my granulated garlic and just lightly sprinkle on each side. And then my granulated onion, and I do the same thing, sprinkle on each side. Then I'll flip them all over and do the same thing. Before I flip those over to the other side, I want to get my cast iron skillet going, and I'm just going to pour some olive oil in the bottom of my pan, and then I'm going to put it on medium heat. Let that start heating up. I'll also have to add oil throughout the whole cooking process. I'll go ahead and do Tony's on this side. This stuff kills me. Granulated garlic. And then granulated onion. Once your oil heats up, start putting your pork chops in. I'll cook these on medium heat for about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. Now I'm going to flip them. And again, I like my pork chops well done. So I see that this edge right here is a little red, so I'm going to flip it on this side. The fire is, or the heat is the hottest in the middle. I'm going to do the same thing to this one. I don't take a chance with pork at all. Alright, these are done. I don't need any more oil yet. Thought I could get 3, but no. add more olive oil. Someone from the channel told me about is this line of fat here. If you cut it, it won't curl. The pork chop won't curl. So I try and cut into my pork chops a little bit so that doesn't happen when I remember. I thought it was a good tip. Alright y'all, this is my last pork chop. Let me know if you make your pork chops like this, or what you use, how you do it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you on the next video.